AMBR stock analysis and AMBR stock prediction. In this brief and short 1 minute video, I'm going to be breaking down my exact play and everything with AMBR International Holding Limited, especially now with a 6% increase. So good. I'm not saying this just that I'm going to start to get involved like randomly, but I do see a good pump, you know. I'm not sure if I have previous receipts here in the Discord server, but I mean, there's not lack of it. I've done 42,000 videos over 5 years, documented all like no one else. So, you know, I've seen what's actually working for me and what's not. Especially now. Ideally, for me to be bullish, I must see a full-on bullish candle close above there. And if I don't see it, then I guess it's not. It was not really meant to be. So, yeah. Well, it's not even volatile enough, mate. Like, I guess I'm gonna keep an eye on it, like set some alerts, but there's far better tickers that I'll definitely be willing to trade compared to this. I'm just saying my thoughts, right? Thinking out loud. So if you do want to learn how I'm making 5-10K from my trading, click the first link in the description, get my free emails, and I'll continue to keep you updated. Goodbye and enjoy.